The year is 1942. India, our motherland, was shackled under the British rule. Decades of struggle have passed. The time has come for one final call, a call that will echo in history as Quit India.
Friends, the British should leave India. We need to fight peacefully and honestly with stronger determination that no one can stop us.
The war has made them weak. This is a time to demand complete independence.
The slogan is simple, do or die. Either we keep freedom now or we lay down our lives for it. Vande Mataram ki jai! Vande Mataram! Quit India! Quit India!
Throughout history, countries have faced time when it is better to die to live as slaves. This is such a time for India. I tell you, we will do or die. We will keep fighting until India is free.
Do or die! Quit India! Quit India! Quit India! Quit India! You quit India!
Leaders are dangerous to the empire.
They have arrested our leaders, but they can't arrest our spirit. We will carry forward the movements. Every street, every village will shout, Quit India. If our men are in jail, we will fight. We will spin khadi, boycott foreign goods and refuse to pay taxes. Bharat Mata ki jai! Quit India! Quit India! The movement spread like wildfire. Students left the schools, workers went on strike, farmers refused to pay taxes. The British response with lathis, bullets and prism, but the fire of freedom burned brighter.
They can control our bodies, but not our suffering. Remember, children of India, the Quit movement is more than protest. It is a promise to our country.
Vande Mataram! Bharat Mata ki jai! Quit India! Quit India! 3 years later, in 1945, the World War ended, and in 1947, the dream came true. But it was the guy of 1942, Quit India, that shocked the British Empire to its core.